Hello there, just a short video on the VisionJet settings that I have with my devices. So let's jump back into the cockpit. As you can see on the screens, I've got my PFD and MFD open with all four panels. I have got a device, the Mini FMS, I'll show you now. This is the Mini FMS, as you can see. Basic button box, and on the top I've modded it and put a switch in it with 3 positions. So basically, if you look at the cockpit, change it over, you can see the highlighted cockpit. Now switch over to the panel which to operate. This also changes the display on the touchscreen. So at the moment I'm on the charts. Click on the arrival charts. You'll see if I can zoom in, zoom out using the FMS. If I want to scroll the map, push the touchpad, and I can simply drag, move over. That's quite easy to do. And then if I want to go to the map page, just select the selector. See now it's highlighted there, and I can zoom the map in and out using the same device. I can even make it full screen, a half, and then switch over to the traffic map on this screen here, and also zoom that in and out depending on how close I am to traffic. See the flight plan. Also on the Mini FMS I can change the panels. So on the PFD tablet here I can change that to MFD mode, Navcom, same as this is the active one on the touchscreen. So if I change that to PFD, get the same settings as I do over here, but on this one I can also do the radios, such like change the volumes. I mean, you can go into the map settings, weather radar, and now I've got the weather radar on. I do like that mode better. Review the flight plan on this, go up and down the flight plan. This is just a basic device that does it all. I've also got the Mini autopilot to change my altitude, various settings in the aircraft as well.
Manchester Center, Rosen Romeo Oscar, Sierra Echo November 10,000 feet.
Rosen Romeo Oscar, Sierra Echo November, Manchester Center altimeter 29.907. Continue the CAD pad as planned. Rosen Romeo Oscar, Sierra Echo November climb and maintain 13,000 feet.
So we climb to 13,000 feet, FLC mode, and the aircraft will climb.
Rosen Romeo Oscar, Sierra Echo November, please acknowledge.
Climb and maintain 13,000 feet, Rosen Romeo Oscar, Sierra Echo November.
There you go, thank you very much. Just a short video this one, just to explain the panels in the vision jet. Thank you very much.